Hi there, today let's talk about a tradition for birthday celebrations in China. So when it's your birthday, it's a tradition to eat a bowl of noodle soup as breakfast on your birthday. This noodle soup is called 长寿面 in Chinese, and in English it's called longevity noodles. By eating a bowl of noodle soup without biting through the strands is considered even more lucky, and this noodle soup symbolizes a wish for a happy, long life. Longevity it is. Now, in terms of the recipe for longevity noodle soup, every household can have a different take on it. In this video, I made this flavorful chicken broth as the base of the noodle. You can add more protein to it, such as beef, pork, or shrimp. And in terms of the vegetables, you can do mushroom or cabbage or Chinese greens, alright? Just to play with it, have fun with it. And remember the noodles, they have to be long, right? There you have it, Chinese longevity noodles. It's pretty simple, right? And you know what? Today is my birthday. Happy birthday to myself, I guess. Thank you so much for watching.